Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are tired of the same old fonts in Google Docs, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to add custom fonts to your documents in just a few clicks. It is simple, fast, and will make your work stand out. Let us get started. First, open up your Google Doc. Take a look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on the font drop-down menu. You will see the default list of fonts, which is pretty limited, but do not worry, we are going to expand that. At the very top of that drop-down list, click on the option that says More Fonts. This will open up a new window. What you are looking at now is the entire Google Fonts library, which gives you access to hundreds of free fonts you can use immediately. You have a few ways to find the perfect font here. If you know the name of the font you want, just type it into the search bar at the top left. If you are not sure what you want, you can use the drop-down menus to sort the list. You can sort by popularity, alphabetical order, or the date they were added. You can also filter the styles, like choosing only handwriting fonts or bold display fonts. Once you find a font you like, simply click on its name. You will see a blue check mark appear next to it, and it will be added to the My Fonts column on the right side of the window. You can select as many fonts as you need at one time. When you are happy with your choices, click the blue OK button at the bottom corner of the window. Now, head back to your document. Highlight the text you want to change. Click the font drop-down menu again in your toolbar and look at your list. Your new custom font is now sitting right there ready to use. Just click it to apply it to your text. And that is all there is to it. It is that easy to customize your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple and direct tech guides. See you in the next video.